Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Revolut. Let's get into the video. Open up your Revolut application. So once you've opened up your Revolut application, log into your account. So once you've already logged into your account, so now what you're going to do here is, alright, so once you've logged into your account and go to the transfer tab here. So next to your home tab you'll see a transfer tab, so click on transfer tab. And then here, what you're going to do, you're going to click on the top right plus icon here, new, add new. So click on the new option and then choose bank recipient. All right, so click on bank recipient. And then here, what you're going to do, you're going to just plug in your bank account details. So plug in your currency, your account number and your name and all your account details. And once you're done with that, just click on add recipient and then transfer the amount, withdraw the amount that you want to withdraw. So click that in and then process the transaction. So by doing so, what will happen is you will be withdrawing your money to your bank account. So that's pretty much how you can withdraw money from your bank account. So hope this video is helpful to you guys. I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you.